Hey, welcome back to Truck U. The work continues on this 46 GMC pickup truck. You know, if you look inside, you can see that it's the actual original dash that this thing has. You know, to cut it up would be an absolute crime, but it doesn't have a radio. And our guy, well, he's that guy who wants everything. He wants to have all those modern audio features, but doesn't want to ruin the integrity of that dash. And the folks at Out of Sight Audio have got the perfect solution for him.
So when you're talking about ruining the integrity of the dash, I'm having attention issues. I gotta cover one thing real quick first, because I'm sitting here with the Phytech display unit too, and I was thinking that same thing. You know, some people might want to cut that and just put it in there. We don't want to do that, right? So we can pull this out, build a bracket so that stays there, and all your gauges and everything. All right, now moving into the stereo, great idea, because some people will cut all that up, but then what happens when you have to replace it? Now you got to find another one. Well, we already have the other one.
Right. You know,
so let's not cut it.
Right. With one of the different Mark series from Out of Sight Audio, you've got the option to do anything you want. So that's why I say we go with the Mark IV, because it has more capabilities than the other ones. And this is one of those guys who wants it all. I love the fact that it also has hands-free calling with a microphone. It just makes driving down the road and being on your phone a safe option.
I was going to ask you about that, like which one you wanted to go with, but no, I mean, we covered that earlier. He is that guy, right? So, I mean, it's like if we put the 1 in now, he's just going to want the 4 eventually.
Exactly.
So we put the 4 in now, and it saves us time down the road, right? Like you said, we could just fill it with speakers. This would be awesome. We could rattle out those cobwebs.
Right?